GIT workflow for microservices. What is a GIT workflow for microservices? A GIT workflow for microservices is the structured way teams use GIT to manage code for multiple independent services safely and efficiently. It defines how each service is developed, how changes are reviewed, how services are released, how production is protected. In simple words, GIT workflow equals how microservice code moves from idea means to production safely. Why microservices need a proper GIT workflow? Microservices systems usually have many services, many repositories, many developers, frequent deployments. Without a workflow, cross-mark confusion between services, cross-mark broken integrations, cross-mark hard debugging, cross-mark risky deployments. With a workflow, check-mark independent releases, check-mark safer changes, check-mark better coordination, check-mark faster delivery. So workflow equals isolation plus coordination plus control. Repository strategy for microservices. Two common approaches. Monorepo, all services in one repo. Polyrepo, one repo per service. Monorepo, check-mark easy dependency tracking. Check-mark shared configs. Cross-mark large repo. Cross-mark more conflicts. Polyrepo, check-mark independent services. Check-mark independent releases. Cross-mark harder coordination. Cross-mark more pipelines. Why choose? Depends on team size. Depends on deployment style. Typical branch structure. Per service. Common branch setup. Main means production ready. Develop means integration branch. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepare releases. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, order API, release, version 1.2. Hotfix, payment timeout. Why? Protects production, supports parallel development, enables independent releases. Feature branch workflow. Microservices. For each change, create branch from develop, modify one service, run service tests, commit changes, push branch, open pull request, review code, merge into develop. Why? Keeps service isolated, prevents breaking other services, makes review easier. Bad practice. Cross-mark modify many services in one branch. Cross-mark commit directly to main. Good practice. Check mark one service per branch. Check mark one feature per PR. Pull requests in microservices. PRs are used to review logic, check service contracts, run automated tests, check performance. PR should include check mark which service changed, check mark API changes, check mark breaking changes, check mark test results. Why? Avoids unexpected failures, improves communication, protects integrations. Commit strategy. Commits should be small, service-focused, descriptive, good commit messages. Add discount logic to order service. Fix timeout in payment service. Bad commit messages. Update services. Fix bugs. Why? Easy rollback. Clear history. Easier debugging. Handling shared libraries. Microservices often share common utilities, auth libraries, logging modules. Best practices. Version shared libs. Do not directly modify in many services. Update gradually. Why? Prevents mass breakage. Supports independent releases. Release workflow for microservices. Microservices release independently, frequently. Good approach. Tag each service version. Build container image. Deploy service. Example: order service v2.1.0. Payment service v1.4.2. Why? Easy rollback. Clear tracking. Safer upgrades. Hotfix workflow. Microservices. When a service breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix the service. Test it. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Deploy service. Example. Hotfix, order crash. Why? Fast response. Controlled fix. Only affects one service. CI/CD in microservices workflow. Automation can build each service, run service tests, build Docker images, deploy automatically. Tools. GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Argo CD. Why? No manual work, faster deployments, less human error. Versioning and tagging. Use semantic versions. v1.0.0, v1.1.0, version 2.0.0. Why? Tracks changes, supports rollback, helps dependency management, configuration management, services use, environment variables, config files, secrets, rules. Do not commit secrets. Use secret managers. Separate dev, stage, prod configs. Why? Prevents leaks. Supports multiple environments. Common microservices JIT mistakes. One branch for all services. Huge PRs. No service versioning. No CI/CD. No clear ownership. Why bad? Breaks isolation. Slows teams. Causes outages. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature, user service auth. Release, order version 1.5. Hotfix, payment bug. Commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example, fix retry logic in inventory service. Why? Easy tracking, easy auditing, professional history. How JIT workflow helps microservices scale. As system grows, more services, more teams, more risk. Workflow helps. Check mark keep services independent. Check mark reduce conflicts. Check mark improve stability. Check mark support fast delivery. Real life analogy. Microservices JIT workflow is like food delivery kitchens. Each service equals one kitchen. PRs equals quality checks. Main branch equals approved menu. Deploy equals delivery. Without workflow, chaos. With workflow, smooth operations. In simple words, JIT workflow for microservices means manage services separately, review carefully, release independently, track everything. Best strategy for microservices teams. Use check mark service level branches. Check mark pull requests. Check mark independent releases. Check mark carbon monoiodide, CD automation. Check mark protected main branches. Avoid cross mark one giant branch. Cross mark manual deployments. Cross mark no versioning. Microservices increase speed, but also increase risk. A good JIT workflow. Check mark protects services. Check mark supports teams. Check mark prevents outages. Check mark enables scale. Good workflow equals stable microservices, equals faster delivery, equals confident teams.